When the idea to start a college came to our mind, this place came to our mind because it was in the heart of the city and it was kept under lock because this is a property we bought from a Chinese tenor who went to Canada, and the whole place was in a very, very bad shape. We decided to convert this into world-class center for higher education, and we had a deadline of 6 months because the new academic session was supposed to start in 6 months' time.
We started iLead with a vision to be one of the most prestigious media and the management institute globally. And at iLead, we would like to impart world-class education through motivated teachers who constantly upgrade themselves by adapting latest educational technologies and best practices.
The journey of iLead started from May 2010 from a small office at Chakravarti Road.
When I took admission in July, there were just bricks and mortars everywhere. Then the doors opened wide on the 5th of September 2010. It was a lifeless whitewashed structure. We entered and injected lives in it.
This place gave me the freedom to think and the freedom to express. I had taken admission in this place with the hope that I learned something new. And when I really came here, I developed a very good habit of thinking.
The first batch of iLead, we were a group of 29 people from different cultures of India.
Almost 400 laborers were working around the clock, and we finished the entire work in 6 months' time, and we started the classes as scheduled from the 5th September 2010.
That itself is a very magical performance.
Formula number 7.
How do you do that?
That marriage is a wonderful thing, yeah? If it works out, it's fine, you're happy. If it doesn't work out, it's also fine, you become a philosopher.
So the question is, will you accept this deal?
Our classes used to start in the morning at 8 o'clock and we literally had to rush to be on time.
This is one of my favorite places. I used to spend a lot of time here, and we also used to bunk classes for this game. This is one of the most exciting places of iLead.
Along with the academic administration, the first thing what we try to do is to bring up this journal of iLead, that's the enterprising leader.
At iLead, we believe in 360 development of a student. Besides the university curriculum, students are encouraged to work a lot on the practical assignments, be it ad films, events, research work, surveys, seminars, etc.
अगर आपने साइंस लिया है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको इंजीनियरिंग करनी है या मेडिसिन करनी है.
Our first challenge, as we see it, is open new institutions, new universities, new colleges, both in the public and the private sector.
Most organizations haven't got a clue, rightfully so, as to what their stakeholders are going to expect in the future.
World over, 1% people possess 44% of wealth.
One of the best moments we had spent in iLead was during our rehearsals of the play Night of January 16th. It was a wonderful experience. Initially, we were very excited about the play, but gradually we lost hope because we were very few in number. In the end, we had put up a great show. The courtroom scene was set up over here, and it was a fantastic show.
And before even we knew anything or realized anything, 2 years were over and we were preparing for our final exams.
Very special to the iLead fraternity because we want you to go to places.
It has molded us into global citizens and to be competitive everywhere, wherever we go.
Here at iLead, we have basically two divisions or two areas of study. One is the management, another is for the media.
My association with iLead goes back to its very early days. I think we've come a long way from there, be it about the quality of students that we have taken or the kind of companies that have come in for placements. I think we have made remarkable achievements in all fields.
At iLead, we have a Corporate Connect program whereby we invite industry professionals and domain experts to come and address the students.
And today we have almost more than 70 companies where our students have applied for internships and placements, such as KPMG, Accenture, CNN-IBN, Radio Mirchi, Bates. We have the big names in both management as well as the media vertical.
And we also provide our students with continuous seminars and workshops whereby they can keep themselves updated.
Live your dreams.
You're here to lead and lead you will.
All the best for your stay in iLead.
What we do in the media department at iLead.
To make a lot of friends and have lots of fun. Feeling hungry? Don't worry. Casablanca.
Here at iLead, we believe in making our students industry ready. And when they finish their course, they not only go out with a degree, but also a showreel to show the world. We have a very high-end multicam chroma setup which we use for our client productions. We believe in imparting practical knowledge and not restricting education just to theory.
Our target is that very soon in future, our students' film should be shown on channels like BBC, National Geography, Discovery Channel, and it gets some international recognition as well.
Welcome to the Visions of the Unseen.
A program where we bring to our viewers unique stories of unique people.
Where we turn the spotlight to such people who have been quietly working for years. বাংলায় বললে অদৃশ্যের দৃষ্টি কিংবা বলা যেতে পারে অদৃশ্যের দর্শন।
We at iLead believe that the students, faculty and the management need to be continuously in touch with the industry experts to keep themselves updated about the latest trends, technologies and the marketplace. Therefore, the endeavor to start the Friday guest lectures to bridge the gap between the students and the corporates and be up and close and personal and understand what's happening in the industry.
So the whole business of advertising is to be original, is to be insightful, is to think about human nature, and it's about observation of the human race.
Past is the only concrete example from where we can learn. But there is nothing called present, it's all past.
Your intention of making a film has to be very clear. Okay, what are you making? What is the story that you're trying to tell? And what does this story deserve?
The mirror, this was the planning, it's behind the scenes.
Okay. And what's the full form?
Faces at Play.
That's a good name. If you actually give a free rein to the imagination of these students, there is no stopping them. Okay, so they will go in all directions and they will try to achieve, they will try to conquer the world in a very short time.
It's a hypothesis, but it can be proved if we more discover it, that actually Chand Saudagar, Behula and Lokhinder did exist.
Okay, so that means it is Journey to Heaven, a documentary by Abhishek Bhadra. Very good. So write a script, show me a treatment. So whenever we give them some academic exercise which is part of the curriculum, we try to confine their working within an overarching theme. For example, this time we gave the theme of Kolkata, and eventually we got 11 short films on Kolkata, some on fish of Kolkata, some on the sweets of Kolkata, some on some of the heritage aspects of Kolkata.
পুলিশের হাত থেকে কীভাবে পিছকে যেতে হয় সেটা অমলের খুব ভালোই জানা ছিল।
মানে আপনি কি
It is not just Christmas when Kolkata's Park Street witnesses a carnival.
The name is apt, Happy Street, with fun and frolic on the main streets of Kolkata with a tinge of good health.
বলেছি তো বিয়ে যদি করি ইংরেজের মেয়ে বিয়ে করব।
These 2 years were the most worthwhile years of my life. I have become more professional. I know what the whole world of media entails, and I'm now well equipped, to face the professional world, and that's what iLead has given me.
Our students are given the opportunity to be interactive and experimental. They are given access to professional cameras under the guidance of industry professionals.
The media courses of iLead are very well managed and well run, and they're very practical. I have looked at the facilities over here. They're as far as the world standards, and we have explored few opportunities of collaborative activities which involves documentary production jointly between iLead and our institution.
When we are thinking of providing world-class education at affordable cost, we are not only thinking about iLead. We want to share our knowledge, our technology, our success stories with many other institutes. We have signed almost 26 agreements with universities which are located in 20 countries.
Recently, we are in the process of implementing ERP in our institute, where the first phase, which is the academic section, has already been implemented, and ultimately we are in the process of implementing the other sections also.
Putting out the iLead classes on our YouTube channel so that we have a mass reach. Because we have a lot of short time courses, we want more people to sort of benefit from that, not only our students but people from far and away, because that is the next sort of evolution of any educational institute in today's day and world.
My first speaker here is Professor Ashley Braganza from Brunel University in UK.
And one of the changes that are going on in the education sector over here.
When we want to reach out to the world, we don't want to restrict ourselves to only the virtual world. Yes, we want to use technology like Skype to connect with the rest of the world, but we also want to go beyond that, and every year we want to take our students and our faculty members to such trips which are educational, entertainment, tourism oriented, and visit these universities and institutes world over. Students from other universities located in various countries like the State University of Tennessee, from China, from Germany have come to our campus, and I think in times to come more and more students from all over the world will visit iLead, and our students will visit those countries and those universities.
To ensure that iLeaders excel, we have a judicious mix of work and play.
In iLead this year, admission has been overwhelming and outstanding from students coming from different geographical locations. The admission process has been critically structured so that we can choose not only the best academic students but also students who have great creativity, perseverance and a zeal to make it big in life.
iLead has now become a name that everyone knows, and it's almost become a household name for the students.
The door of iLead Mentors Room is always open for students. Any query related to academics or co-curricular activities, students feel free to come and discuss with their mentors.
All our efforts was rewarded when we were announced the second best emerging media college by Zee Media Edutainment Awards, Mumbai. It was a moment of deep satisfaction. We were also awarded by ASSOCHAM under the category Endeavour to become visible in certain SAARC countries.
I think iLead has done pretty well in the 4 years. It's a very competitive market in Kolkata, and within its first 3 years it has been ranked as a AA business school in the north and east of India, which is a very impressive feat.
Today, it's possible to bring one of the best professors or the top professors of world's coveted institutes and universities like Harvard, Kellogg's, Wharton, University of Cambridge, University of Oxford, in anywhere in the world through information technology. There are a lot of recorded lectures, course materials are available on the net, on sites which are offering MOOCs, which stands for Massive Online Open Courses. We are also helping them to connect with international students community who are taking these classes online, in which way that they will be able to connect with students of almost 170 countries, and these are some of the best students from those countries doing these kind of courses. These are some of the things which I think will make iLead stand out among all the other colleges and universities, not only of India but of the world.
आए हैं हम iLead में अपना हुनर दिखाने, आए हैं हम iLead में अपना हुनर दिखाने, iLead के इतिहास में सुनहरे अक्षरों में अपना नाम लिखवाने। ले जाएंगे हम iLead को आसमान की ऊंचाई तक, ले जाएंगे हम iLead को आसमान की ऊंचाई तक, लहराएगा शान से iLead का झंडा क़यामत तक, लहराएगा शान से iLead का झंडा क़यामत तक।